So, here we create a project, name called how to use background thread. First we do here is create an instance of Executor Service. Executor Service is a service which used to manage and control the execution of tasks in a multi-thread environment. Executor Service provide a way to manage and control threads. Executor Service is an interface which provide methods to submit or execute tasks, control their execution, and retrieve result. Now create a new Executor Service using factory method from the executors. New single-thread executor method is a method which is used to execute tasks sequentially, one by another. This is useful when you ensure that tasks are processed in a specific order. In a simple way, suppose Executor Service is a manager who hire new single-thread executor method who perform task one by one in sequentially order, which is given by manager. Here we have layout name called activity main. Here is only one view, which is text view, which is inside the constraint layout. Let's initialize its ID in our main activity. Copy the ID and go to main activity. Create and reference of text view for out layout. Initializing the text view by finding it using its ID from the layout. Let's create the object of background thread task class. Now create the background thread task class. So here we created background thread task class. In this class we implement the class with runnable interface. Runnable interface is a functional interface in Java that represent a task that can be executed. It declare a single method, run method, which contain the actual code that will be executed when an instance of background thread task class is used as task in a thread. By implementing the runnable interface, the background thread task is essentially saying that it can be used as task to be executed by a thread. Creates an instance of background thread task. Now create ExecutorService.execute method. It is used to submit the background thread task for execution on the Executor Service. Execute method is a method from the Executor Service interface, and it is used to start the execution of the given task. Now create ExecutorService.shutdown method. Initiates an orderly shutdown of the Executor Service. After calling shutdown method, the Executor Service will no longer accept new tasks for execution. However, it will allow previously submitted tasks to complete. Let's pass as the text view as a parameter to its constructor. Now create an instance of text view in background thread task class. Now we create constructor which take one parameter. Inside constructor, we assign the value of the parameter to the corresponding variable. This text view equal text view. Run method contain the actual code. Let's create a message which we want to display in text view. String s equals Here is background thread. To update the UI, we use the textView.post method. UI update should be done on the UI thread and post method. Ensure that the code inside the Lambda expression is executed on a UI thread. We done it. Let's connect the device and run the program. Here we go. Our text view updated message successfully on background thread. Hope you understand the how to create and use background thread. Thank you for watching.